Hey, good morning, guys. Page 122, figure 5-5/8 stop. We got 6 and 13/16 this way. Our thickness of this is 7/8. We go up on the left side 2.5 inches. On the right side, we're coming down 1 5/8. It's 2 5/8 wide. 7/8 is your thickness of your material. 6 and 13/16 is the length of this. So let's go ahead and go to get AutoCAD. I've already taken my opportunity to save my drawing title, my layers on here. So I'm going to hit Excel on the keyboard, create my construction lines for my point at 0, turn on my ortho mode, and then set my construction line there. That's my 0, 0. Now, I know I can take this line, this bottom line here on my construction line, move it up 2.5 inches, 7/8 of an inch, and go ahead and get everything set up there. But that's what I'm going to do. We'll take that line there, offset it, 0.875. 0.875 is the digital equivalence of 7/8. We'll offset it again, 2.5 to 0.5. We'll zoom in a little bit. Now, I could offset this one if we figure out what 6 and 13/16 is. All right. So in order to show you that, I'm going to go to the calculator. If I'm not mistaken, it's 0.8125, but I want to show it to you. So 13/16. 0.8125. I was right. I'm going to minimize that. So I'm going to offset this line here, 6.8125. I know this line here is going to be offset this way, 7/8 of an inch. This line here is going to be offset this way, 7/8 of an inch. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go back to my object lines. And again, I don't want to change the color. I just want to change it to the layer. Notice I'm not calling myself a moron now. Just block that in. Block it in here. You'll notice your snaps will want to fight with you, so you have to hang on to them close. So we're coming down, I believe it's 1 5/8. And I was right, 1 5/8. Or 1.625. 1.625. Now you notice I didn't do that on my construction lines. We're coming in 0.875 with that. I'm going straight up. That's your front view. We can offset this line here 2 inches to get our bottom of our top view. So we're going to go up 2 inches. This one we can go 2 inches. We know our dimension on our width, our depth, is 2 5/8. So basically all we have to do is go up 2.625. 2.625, and then block it in. This was real simple. Now there's one part of this one I have to do, but I can figure that out by doing this right here. Go back to my construction line layer. All I've got to do now to make that easier for me. Come on. Now I will call myself a moron. I should have done this a while ago when I was in here. Now I'll change my layers back again to object line. Block it all in. Rectangle. Go to your hidden line layer. Got two hidden lines. Here and here. There's one. Here's your other one. Now let's turn off our construction lines now. We know we need this dimension here. You know you need this one. And even though we typed in 0.875, it's going to come up 7/8 because that's the decimal equivalent for that. And then we got a dimension here. Six and 13/16. We have 2.5 here. That's 2 and 5/8, excuse me. If I'd been 2.5, I'd been short. My next dimension is from this corner down. It is 1 and 5/8. Let me move my drawing around. And I'm going to give you one more dimension here. 6 and 13/16. Everything else is good to go. So we're finished with that drawing for today. That drawing. We're going to try to get two more drawings in. That's figure page 122, figure 558, stop. And that was done on 2/23/22. Any questions? I'll be coming around, but I get the next video done here in just a second.